Hey there, grab a seat, maybe a cup of coffee or tea, and let's just talk for a second. Have you ever had one of those mornings where the alarm goes off, and before your feet even hit the floor, your mind is already racing? You're thinking about the emails you didn't answer, the workout you're probably going to skip, and that vague sense of dread for the day ahead. We've all been there. It feels like you're already behind before the day has even started. But what if I told you that you don't have to carry yesterday's heavy luggage into today? Today, we're talking about the Clean Slate morning reset. It's not about a 15-step productivity routine or waking up at 4 a.m. It's about a mental shift that tells your brain, the past is gone and this moment is mine to shape. Most of us spend our first waking minutes in reactive mode. We check our phones, we look at news, we react to other people's needs. When we do this, we are letting the world dictate our mindset. It's like starting a race with your shoelaces tied together. You're struggling just to stay upright. This builds a scarcity mindset, the feeling that there's never enough time, enough energy, or enough you to go around. To break this, we need a reset button. Here is how I want you to try the Clean Slate Reset tomorrow. It's called the 5-5-5 rule. It's simple, it's gentle, and it works. First, 5 minutes of silence. No phone, just sitting on the edge of your bed or looking out the window. Just notice that you are alive. Second, 5 minutes of the brain dump. Take a physical notepad and write down every single thing that's worrying you. Get it out of your head and onto the paper. Once it's on paper, your brain stops looping it. Third, 5 minutes of micro-intention. Don't look at your whole to-do list. Just pick one thing, one feeling, or one task that would make today feel like a win. Maybe it's, I will be patient in traffic, or I will finish that report by noon. Why does this work? It's because of something called neuroplasticity. By choosing your thoughts early on, you're priming your brain's reticular activating system. That's the filter in your brain that decides what information is important. When you set a calm, intentional tone, your brain starts looking for reasons to stay calm throughout the day. You're literally training your mind to see opportunities instead of obstacles. Listen, you don't have to be perfect at this. Some mornings will still be chaotic, but if you can reclaim just 15 minutes for yourself, you'll start to notice a shift. You'll feel more like the driver of your life and less like a passenger. So tomorrow morning, give yourself that clean slate. You deserve it. I'll be right here cheering you on. See you in the next one.